Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store, then tap on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Now you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your OPPO's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!